Welcome to Extreme Golf Cart Makeover. Make sure you stick around for the end of today's episode to see the Sweepstakes winners announced for this month. Only 2 more episodes before our holiday finale and our $3,000 grand prize giveaway. So as soon as you finish watching this episode, get your video entry in today by visiting the address on your screen. Just think what our grand prize winner can do to their cart. We've been working hard here in the Golf Cart Garage, customizing our YAMAHA G29 golf cart. Okay, technically, I've been making bad jokes and kind of getting in the way while Nick has been working hard, but that's how he likes it, right, buddy? You look exhausted. Here, have a seat. Stick with us right here in the Golf Cart Garage. You can probably tell from my sense of humor that I have almost no pride. We'll always tell you when something went wrong or how not to accomplish a project, but today things went great. We unboxed our Max 6 Helix seat kit from DoubleTake and assembled the frame. There's great manufacturer videos to help with that part, but my best advice is find a friend to help, or at least another employee that can tolerate your company in small doses. Another set of hands was really the difference that made this a simple, follow the instructions type install. These rear seats are versatile with a hidden compartment for the compatible drop-in cooler or storage box when you fold out the seat for a cargo bed, ready to carry just about anything you have in mind. Unless you haul bananas for Harry Chapin. Ooh, that's a deep cut. We chose the Max 6 Helix seat kit from DoubleTake with veranda-style blue-on-black cushions for the rear seat and the front. But DoubleTake has an incredible selection of cushion styles and colors available at Golf Cart Garage for EZGO and Club Car as well, so let us know if we can help find that something that works for your project. One more thing to consider when installing a rear seat kit on any cart is suspension and tire clearance, but especially with a Yamaha like our G29, it's worth considering because Yamahas rely solely on shock absorbers instead of the leaf springs that we find on club cars and EZGOs. If you find play in your suspension, you may sometimes want to consider replacement or upgraded shocks and/or leaf springs. Fortunately, our shocks are in great shape and we were able to move on to the front seat removal and replacement. This is always one of my favorite upgrades to a cart because of the simplicity and impact. It takes about 5 minutes to remove and replace the hardware from the existing seats and place the new ones on the vehicle for a dramatic upgrade. This is especially true if your old seat looks like ours did, like the previous owner had cheated on Carrie Underwood at some point. The quality on the DoubleTake seats really impressed us and set them apart from the rest. That said, it's always a good idea to reality check on a big project like this and prepare for some trips to the hardware store if hardware gets broken or cross-threaded, or maybe you're working on a cart that's been through a golf course and multiple owners. We've found mismatched hardware all over the place and had to go hunting for replacements. Once we got it all bolted up, the results looked great, and we're ready to move on to a rooftop, windshield, and some extras. So don't miss out on the rest. Make sure to visit the Extreme Golf Cart Makeover page at the address on your screen to follow the series and enter to win awesome monthly prizes, or go for that big $3,000 grand prize in the sweepstakes. Here are the 3 lucky winners taking home Golf Cart Garage store credit this month. Third prize this month goes to Corey W. from Michigan, whose Yamaha won $50. Second prize this month goes to Dan Y. from Kansas, who won $100 for his EZGO. And a big congratulations to our first prize winner this month, Dave D. from Idaho, who gets $200 for his club car. Congratulations to our winners from all your friends here in the garage. Just stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call if there's anything we can do to help with your project. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.